With Cenarius dead, it falls to us to awaken the druids. We must recover the demigod's horn from the sacred Moonglade Isle. Only its clarion call can awaken the druids from their slumber.
But Priestess, the orcs have established a crude settlement upon the isle. We'll need to fight our way through them to reach Cenarius' horn.
Priestess Tyrande, thank Elune we found you. The undead are advancing upon the nearby barrow dens. The dens seem abandoned, but
there is one druid sleeping within them, sister. He is the wisest and most powerful of all the druids. He must be warned that the Legion has returned.
Then we'd better hurry. If the undead overtake his den before he's awakened...
Let us make haste, my sisters.
Insufficient gold.
I heed the voice of Elune. As the goddess wills. By Elune.
What is nature's call?
Someone threatens the wilds. Ashrathoraman. The goddess calls. Ashrathoraman. I heed the voice of Elune. Immediately. So be it. By Elune. Someone threatens the wilds? Someone threatens the wilds?
Research finished. Insufficient gold. Your building is complete. Your building is complete. Your building is complete. In position. I walk in shadow. Research finished. Your building is complete.
The goddess calls, as the goddess wills. I heed the voice of Elune. Immediately.
Strike fast. Ensnare them all before they regroup.
I swore to avenge.
Someone threatens the wild.
Research finished. Speak your mind. My wait is over.
The goddess calls.
Insufficient gold.
I heed the voice of Elune.
Lutarogar! For what chief thrall?
I stand ready.
I heed the voice of Elune.
What is nature's call? Nicking trails.
Your building is complete. Your building is complete. Your building is complete.
I'm game. For the truth.
Your
Aim dead
building is
center.
complete. Your building is complete.
The goddess calls.
I stand ready.
Someone threatens the wild.
Standing guard.
I stand ready.
Is there trouble?
Making trails. Hi.
I heed the voice of Elune.
Truth may not be.
I stand ready.
The goddess calls.
Are we being invaded?
The goddess calls. Someone
I
threatens the
stand
wild.
ready.
We can't build there.
I stand ready. I stand ready.
I heed the voice of Elune.
Point the way. I stand ready. On your mark.
In position.
I heed the voice of Elune.
I stand ready.
The goddess calls. Someone
I
threatens the
stand
wild.
ready.
Asha Thoran. Your building is complete.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
I stand ready.
The goddess calls.
More lumber is required.
I heed the voice of the wind.
I stand ready.
Goddess, light my path. I sworn
I heed the voice of the wind. Someone brings the light.
I stand ready.
The goddess calls. Hindu Your building
Goddess,
is complete.
light my path.
I stand ready.
Someone brings the light.
Our sacred grove is being desecrated.
These elves are stronger than we thought.
The goddess calls. So be it.
Our warriors have engaged
I
the
hear the
enemy.
voice of Elune.
Waiting on you. I stand ready.
Goddess, light my path.
The goddess calls. So be it.
Okalamdor.
I stand ready.
In the name of Cenarius.
I hear the voice of Elune.
Okalamdor. Goddess, light my path. Your building is complete. Speak your I shall not fear. Make it fast.
Someone threatens the wild. By
Our
Elune.
warriors have engaged the enemy. I walk in shadow.
I hear the voice of Elune.
In the name of Cenarius.
The goddess calls.
Goddess, light my path.
Someone
Standing
threatens the
guard.
wild. As the goddess wills.
Make it fast.
I stand ready.
The goddess calls. I hear the voice of Elune. Someone threatens the wild. Ashrathoraman.
Goddess, light
The
my
goddess
path.
I
calls.
stand ready.
I heed the voice of Elune. Immediately. So be it.
I shall not fear.
Ashrathoraman. By Elune. Immediately.
I
heed the
stand
voice
ready.
of Elune. The goddess calls.
Our warriors have
So be
engaged
it.
the enemy. Goddess,
Immediately.
light my path. I am sworn. Our
To
sacred
avenge
grove is
someone
being
threatens the
desecrated.
wilds. By Elune. I heed the voice of Elune.
Who threatens
stand
the
ready.
wilds?
As the goddess wills.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Priestess, the undead have nearly reached the Barrow Den. You must hurry and recover the horn.
The goddess calls.
Goddess, light my path.
I stand ready.
Ashrathoraman. Move. The goddess calls. Ashrathoraman.
Make it fast.
Someone threatens the wilds.
On your mark.
I heed the voice of Elune. The goddess calls.
I
Our
stand
sacred
ready.
grove is
So
being
be it.
desecrated.
Immediately.
Feel
In the name of
nature's wrath.
Cenarius. Goddess, more light moonlights. my path.
I heed the voice of Elune.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
I stand ready.
Someone threatens the wild. Ashatoraman. Ashatoraman. By Elun. So be it.
None shall
Our
harm the
warriors
wilds.
have engaged the enemy.
Goddess,
Create more
light
moon.
my path.
I stand ready.
Make it fast.
I heed the voice of Elun.
In position. Absolutely. Speak your mind.
I stand
Someone
ready.
threatens the wilds.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
The goddess
Avenge.
calls. Ashrathoraman.
Standing guard. My weight is a goddess. Light my path. I am sworn to avenge. Goddess, light my path. Pray for God. Standing guard. Speak your mind. Seek. Make it fast. Come and get it. Insufficient gold. I am sworn to avenge.
Lead the way. Fair
Goddess,
enough.
light my
Speak
path.
your mind.
Catch. Make it fast. Catch. In position.
I stand ready.
Fear the night. Standing guard. I am
Someone
sworn
threatens
to
the
avenge.
wilds. By Elun.
Goddess, light my path.
I stand ready.
At last, the horn of Cenarius.
The horn has sounded, and I have come, as promised. I smell the stench of decay and corruption in our land. That angers me greatly. Come forth, you defenders of old. Crush these invaders, as you did in ages past.